doesn't only mean that transportation. Okay. Communication means what? The talking over the internet or talking through the internet, sending messages, email IDs, etc. etc. Okay. So, starting with this chapter, communication is the most popular use of the internet with email topping list of all the technologies used. Communication is being possible on the internet because of various type of technologies are used to develop this communication in the internet. Okay. Some of this type of communication technology used include the email discussion groups. Email discussion groups, Usenet news, chat groups, instant messaging, IM, right? These are unique to the network computers environment and have come into the wide popularity because of the internet. Other technologies are also there, including videos, audio conferencing, video conference, okay, conferencing, internet telephony, as also available on the internet. So first of all is we do chatting, right, on the internet. How do we chat? See, chatting is also one of the most popular features available on the internet. And there are three types of chattings. One can chat with the messages, with the voice chatting, and also the video chatting. Okay. So in the text messaging, we can make the conversions or text conversions with anyone instantly. So this is called the text messaging, where we chat through the messaging. And this facility is available for free of cost. Talking to anyone on the internet with the help of headphones, microphones, that is called voice chatting. And apart from the voice chatting, if we have web cameras with a good internet connections, then we can chat with anyone face to face also. Nowadays we are doing that. That is called video chatting. Okay. But still, apart from the video chatting, the technologies has also been developed so that we are talking through the video calls. Okay. Face to face we are talking, that is video calling. Okay. So there is also technology that is used. Now questions arises here in this your book saying what is internet messages. So instant messages. Instant messaging or IM is a real-time text-based communication between the one or two or more people connected over a network like the internet. Okay, on the internet you can say. Instant messaging has become very popular. With this you can interact with the people in the real-time environment and you can keep the list of the family and friends on your contact list and can communicate as long as the person is online. Okay. So this is how instant messaging can be done and chatting on the internet can be done. So question arises here, chatting through the internet. For chatting or for video calling, video chatting, instant messaging, what are the different application softwares we use to do all this? There are several types of softwares. Okay. In this book is it given less, but after this book, if you go through the real world, there are very much softwares has been developed. On your phone itself you can see. Okay. Here saying commonly used chat applications are Skype one. Skype is one of applications, an application software that allows user to make the voice calls and video chatting over the internet. That is Skype. Yahoo Messenger is also there. Yahoo Messenger is provided the free of charges and can be downloaded and used with a generic Yahoo ID. Generic Yahoo ID means what? We are using now Gmail, Google, okay, Gmail. So, suppose we are saying that www.kems.com. So, its Gmail ID will be kems@gmail.com. So Yahoo generic ID means @yahoo.com. Okay, which also allows access to your to other Yahoos services such as Yahoo Mail, where the users are automatically notified when they receive a new email. Okay, and Yahoo also offers the PC to PC, PC to phone. PC means personal computers, phone to PC service or personal computer services, file transfer, webcam porting, text messaging services, and chat rooms in the various categories. Okay, this is also an offline messaging facilities in the Google Talk. Okay, Google Talk software you must have seen. This allows the user to send the messages through their contact. Even if they are not signed in, they will receive the messages when they next go online, even if the user has sent is offline. Okay, and it is the free Windows and Mac web services, web-based applications for the instant messaging and voice chatting over the internet protocol, that is called IP. Okay, there is a certain internet protocol that allows you to connect with the definite server with the systems. Internet relay chat. What is internet relay chat? Internet relay chat is also a text-based chat system that allows the millions of people around the world to communicate in a real time. It is a form of real-time internet text messaging, or you can say the chat or synchronous conferencing. Okay, so it is mainly designed for the group applications in the discussions forums called the channels. Okay, group applications with the you can talk with the various channels. AOL is also one of the most popular chat applications. It has an email services, and another is Mebo. Mebo is an instant messaging application which supports the multiple IM services, including the Yahoo's Messengers, AIM, ICQ, MySpace IM, Facebook Chat, etc. Okay, so there are some more chat applications also: ICQ, Pultalk, Campfire, Window Live Messenger, Pidgin, etc. Okay, now it's chatting from the email inbox. Nowadays, how to chat from the email inbox? Sign into your Google account first, and then search the person online on the left side of the taskbar, that is green or red or yellow bullet symbols show as the persons in online. Then click on the name of the person. Okay, and the chat box will appear. Now you can start chatting. So how to set up the Skype to chat? Skype is a telecommunication application software, we know that, and that specializes in providing the video chat, voice chat from the computers, tablets, mobile devices via the internet. Okay, without internet we can talk to the other services or other devices, telephones, smartphones, etc. Skype also provides the facility to make the free calls to other Skype users, and the charges a minimal fees for making the calls to the landline and mobile phones also. But the Skype to Skype there is no cost of talking. Okay, Skype has a rich features set which include the instant messaging, file transfer, and video conferencing. To set up the Skype on your computer system, run the installer file, download the Skype fast, and then it is available free of cost. Premium version is also there, paid version. Okay, but 3 versions should suffice, so you can start with it. So after running the installer file, the Skype window will appear. Click on the undertake or agree buttons and next option. I agree, next. Okay, if you want to Skype for calling, then choose the install Skype, click to call, and then now wait for a package file to be installed. This process usually takes around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, Skype will be there. And how to getting started with Skype is, you must have Skype account. If you have got one, you can make an account. Then launch the Skype applications, sign in using with your Skype account, ID, passwords, etc. After you have successfully logged into your account, you will see a window where you can find the options for chatting, instant messaging, video calls, file transfer, etc. So from there, once you have added your contact, you can use all the features of Skype. Okay, so you can call a person both on Skype as well as on the sorry, this is not standard 8, this is standard 7. Okay. Standard 7. We are talking about the communications on the internet, standard 7. Once you can call a person, then a group of people, you can do that just by clicking to make one video call, voice chatting, whatever, just by clicking. Okay. Now, if since we are using one application software for our communications through the internet, then we should must have keep some points that are privacy points that should must be in our mind. What are these? When you communicating on the internet, take special care not to give out your personal information to the strangers. Beware of the risk involved in the communications with the people who do not know, and take time to consider what you write to others. Okay. Be careful to avoid the humor and sarcasm except with the best of the friends. You can assume that messages are private, and be careful what you write, what you accept.